Hi guys, today I'm going to show you of what looks like to be a very exciting find for me. So I picked this one from the Verge together with together with that one, both of them together, and looks still alright, looking pretty good. This is ProDesk HP, and it says it is a Intel Core i5. Yeah, a bit of scratches there. Yeah, because they just jumped this away. So yeah, there is no sticker on this one. There is no external graphics card, but I think there is a built-in one. So it didn't include the Windows key, but we're going to check this first. We'll open the panel. So inside is a little bit clean, looks alright. Optical drive is there. So obviously there is a hard drive. It's 500 gigabyte. Then I think everything is connected. We have two RAM cards. You can see one is that's 40 gigabyte and 40 gigabyte there. So 8 gig of RAM on this one. So I'm going to connect this to our monitor there. Then we'll see if we can get a display and see the specs of this one. So this is our VGA cable here, and we have here the power cord. So it's plugged in, the monitor, and this one is also plugged in. So let's go ahead and start this one. I think this is for wireless USB mouse, keyboard, or something. So it's already on there. So let's go ahead and power this up. Spinning. Means we have RAM. So we have that. We have a display. So press F1 to boot. But we don't have a keyboard, so I wait to get a keyboard. So our keyboard is connected now with our mouse. So I'm going to hit F1 It's loading Windows. So that monitor there, this keyboard, and that mouse there are all picked from the words. So in this setup here, everything is free. I didn't spend anything. This just drove around. Alright, so let's go and check the specs. Looks like this has been factory reset. Oh, what's that? Anyway, escape. It's trying to connect to the network. Yeah, we have a problem here. We have a broken mouse. So here we are seeing the specs of the computer. Just Core i5 4570 3.2 gigahertz with 8 gigabyte of RAM. So the storage is 500 gigabyte. Yeah, so it's licensed Windows 10 Pro, and it's activated using a digital license. Let's see if is there any document on this one. Yeah, so there's nothing. This is basically empty. So yeah, so yeah, there's nothing in here on this one. So this, we just need a little bit of cleanup. See the dust there, the dust, and we just need a little bit of clean. So I'm going to strip this up. Strip this and then clean the panel and everything, then put them back together. Then we have a new clean ProDesk Intel Core i5 computer. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks. Bye.